boat, for its size, is the most powerful craft afloat. And the Star Tugs are the power behind the docks and waterways that make up the big city port. This is TUGS. Believe it or not, when the Star Tugs and Z stacks took on a big job together. One of those times I remember was when timber and tanning bark had to be brought down from the sawmills upriver. And this year, it was especially important that we worked together. But Zug was making heavy going of towing an old hulk on its last journey.
Hi, Zug! Hey, Zug! Zoran's going mad waiting for you. Where you been?
Captain Zero told me to deliver this old rust bucket to the breaker's yard.
You'll see Zoran at Mixville before you get there. He's not gonna like it.
I'm only carrying out orders. Zoran can't blame me.
Ha! Don't you believe it?
An alligator tug called Billy Shoepack worked upriver, delivering essentials like gasoline, ropes, fuses, and dynamite from Mixville to the logging camps. Why an alligator tug? Well, you can see he's just as low in the water, and in Billy's case, just as dangerous.
Look who's here. It's Shoepack, the alligator tug.
Hey, Star Tugs, don't you wish you carried something more exciting than wood?
No, thanks. Just get that stuff away from here. You're welcome to it.
Dynamite's exciting stuff. Makes lovely big bangs. Fairly harmless if you know how to handle it, like I do.
You're not unloading next to us, are you?
Afraid so, OJ. Don't worry. If it goes up, we all go up.
Eh?
No, it's safe. Only joking.
You better be.
In Mixville, halfway upriver, Zug was struggling with the old tramp steamer towed behind him, and was worried about meeting up with Zoran.
What do you do with that? We're all on log detail, remember?
Sorry, Zoran. I did remember. Captain Zero said to take you to the breaker's yard on my way.
On your way? It's a mile further upriver. I've been waiting for you like I'm anchored here till I rust.
Oh, yeah. But we gotta do what the captain says, Zoran. Unless they get it today, they won't take it. They've a lot of breaking up to do.
Including you, if you don't get moving.
But I can't go on no faster. See, the current, it's really strong against me. You can see that.
All right, then. Let's get it there and get rid of it. Fast as we can.
Oh, thanks, Zoran.
Never mind the thanks. Get going. Get speed up. Full steam. Come on, come on.
Don't push so hard, Zoran. I can't keep ahead.
Go faster. More steam.
I haven't any more.
Pull. Your toe's going slack.
I can't hold it.
Pull tight, Doug, you bull. Pull.
I'm trying hard as I can. It's no good.
Hold it. Hold it.
It's got to go. It's blocked the river.
Of course it's blocked the river, you idiot.
I'm trapped. This side, what can I do?
Wait there and claim salvage.
But help could be ages getting here.
You've got company. All the stars are on your side. I've had plenty of time to see who was there, haven't I? That means Zed Stacks we've got all the harbour to ourselves, haven't we? Captain Zero will be pleased.
Don't leave me here.
Sorry, Zug. We'll have to manage without you.
The old tramper was now a barrier across the river, and Zug was stuck on the wrong side.
Oh, good heavens! What on earth? We can't get down river.
It's not my fault. What can I do?
Right, we'll never get that clear today. That means we're stuck up here. Aye, probably. Are you all right, Zug?
We were taking it upriver when the tide slewed it across and jammed it.
Aye, once it starts to go, you cannot stop it.
We found that out.
Put the blinkers on getting back to Big City. And it'll hold up delivery. Right, I'll go back upriver for help. Cranes or something. Be as quick as you can, will you?
At Mittsville, downriver from the blockage, Zoran was surprised to discover that not quite all the stars were trapped.
Hello, 10 cents.
Sorry. Yeah, what are you doing here?
I thought you were at the logging camp.
Yeah, wrong again, Zoran. I was pulled out for this special delivery to Mittsville, machinery for cutting timber.
I thought all the stars were upriver.
Yeah, what's been happening, Zoran?
There's been an accident. An old trapper's jammed across the river.
What? Oh, you mean no one can get through?
Yeah, that's right. You got it, 10 cents. Oh my, you're quick.
Oh no, we'll get behind schedule. All my mates are trapped upriver.
And Zug the fool.
Yeah, I'll tie my barge off and get off up there. Zoran, are you going back to port to get help?
Of course, to tell Captain Zero, don't fret.
Yeah, tell Captain Star, won't you?
Of course.
And salvage.
Captain Star, Captain Zero, the salvage team, leave them all to me.
Hello, it's Sunshine. How's life in Big City Port, eh? Sunshine?
Billy Shoeback, hey! Hey, where's the biggest floating crane around here? Is there still one at Top Town?
Afraid not. It was scrapped. What did you want it for?
There's been an accident. An old tramper slewed across the river and trapped us up here. Do you know anybody who can help?
Right here. See that case?
Yeah? Oh, no, not dynamite, Billy.
What do you mean, oh no? That'll blow a hole in any tramper. I've always wanted to blast someone out of trouble. Useful stuff, dynamite. Great fun, too.
Sounds dangerous.
Not scared, are you? Come on. Come on!
Oh, no. God, this is serious. I hope everybody's all right. Anybody there? Anybody that side?
Oh, I say hello. Have you come to save the day, 10 cents?
If I can, I'll have to get back to Mittsville for a crane. The water level's falling this side. Must be building up on yours, is it?
So it appears, yes.
I'll be back as soon as I can then.
Right, well, do hurry up.
What a mess, isn't it? Captain Star will go mad.
Well, I did tell him, OJ. Working with Z-Stack just doesn't work.
It wasn't my fault. Ask Zoran.
One of Zoran's little schemes. I thought as much.
Never mind that. Let's just get out of here.
Now for the voice of experience.
Tell you what, we'll make a battering ram. Lash up 3 or 4 barges.
Yeah.
Well, they're heavy with logs already. Then we get behind them and ram the tramper.
Great, OJ. Yeah.
Might work. Well, let's try it.
Well, I'll try anything, however unlikely.
Back down in Mittsville, 10 cents found Little Ditcher, the A-frame crane.
Hey, Little Ditcher!
What's up, 10 cents?
There's been an accident upstream. I need your help to drag a tramper out of the way.
The dredging. It's just for pulley to go back in place and I'm yours.
The tugs got the lashed-up battering ram pointed at the tanker and took up positions for maximum impact.
Right. Nobody push till I give the word. Then keep going, even when it hits. Ready? Steady. Go! Keep going!
Hey, I'm trapped.
What? Well, no more than the rest of us do.
I hope I won't get sucked under.
The tramper buckled but didn't move. The stars could only hope that help would come soon, though they never expected what sunshine brought.
We're here, Roger.
Good heavens!
that?
Hiya, fellers. Heard you needed a nudge.
I thought Sunshine had gone for a crane, not an alligator.
Yeah, Sunshine, and you got someone else. Come in.
We don't need anybody. I've enough dynamite to blast it. Oh, great. It's already dented. I'll blow it apart for you. Easy. You'll all get through.
I'll be blown to kingdom come.
Ready when you are, 10 cents.
Right. Yeah. What's Soren doing back here on his own?
I wouldn't try that little fella on a tramp of that size. It might crush him.
Oi, Zoran, where's the salvage team? Oh, we can't move this on our own. Oi, come back here.
I'll do the best I can, 10 cents.
Huh? Oh, yeah, of course. Come on, little Dishy, you can do it.
10 Cents suspected that Zoran had only pretended to alert a salvage crew. He wanted to keep the stars trapped upriver. Sunshine pulls Zug clear as Shupak set up the dynamite.
Ready for the big bang?
This could be a disaster, OJ.
Already got a disaster.
Here we go. Billy Shupak's big moment.
I hope so, for all our sakes.
Stand by. 10, 9, 8,
I hope we're far enough away.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire! What's happened?
You tell us.
Probably the fuse got damped, that's all. One volunteer to go and see.
What do you mean, one volunteer?
Well, I fixed another fuse wire.
Needs an expert, Billy.
That, so you say, is you.
Right, leave it to me. None of you move.
Anyone going to move? I'm not going to move.
They began to wonder how it was that Billy Shupak hadn't blown himself up before this.
I was dead right. Just a wet fuse.
Art was never Fike's problem.
No problem. It'll go this time. Sky high.
Sky high is too high by far. Great. Couldn't be better. Forget it, 10 cents. No A-frame's gonna shift that an inch.
Ready for the big spectacular?
Yeah, come on, get on with it.
Here we go.
Yes, 3, 2, 1, go.
Don't rush me. I do the countdown. 10, 9, 8,
Zug,
7, 6,
Zug,
5, 4,
answer me, you fool.
2, 1.
What's happening?
Geronimo! What a sight! What a bang! Brilliant!
Oh, you got a problem there, Zoran.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, son! Doesn't Zoran look funny, eh? Don't come on those rocks.
Oh, well, I suppose that,
Stop laughing. Stop laughing. It's not funny.
Hey, we think it is, eh? Don't we, son?
yeah, no.
All right, joke's over. Back and pick up our barges. Problem solved.
Thanks to me, you didn't believe I'm expert, did you?
Aye, true. Well, there was an element of luck, I suspect, but I must say I am quite impressed.
Well, I can't play any more games with you. I've got real work to do.
I believe...
For once in his life, Shupak had done a great job.
Never mind him. What about me?
In trouble, Zoran. Looks like you got crushed instead of little Ditcher.
The only thing Zoran succeeded in doing that day was trapping himself instead of the star tugs. tugboat, for its size, is the most powerful craft afloat. And the Star Tugs are the power behind the docks and waterways that make up the big city port. This is TUGS. The big city port was in the grips of winter. It had come earlier than expected, and with it came the fog. None of us liked fog, but in those days it was worse. Tugs had no radio and no radar. Long periods of fog had a way of conjuring up old sea stories and superstitions among the boats of the harbour. I remember Big Mac returned quite late. He'd been working all day with Scuttlebutt Pete, who'd been telling him old sea stories of strange things that happened when fog was around. As he passed derelict buildings, they seemed to take on ghostly shapes. They groaned and creaked as if they were alive. As Big Mac came close to an old warehouse, he heard a whisper which grew louder.
Who's that? I'm getting home fast. I've got no fog. Oh, Tugs. Oh, thank goodness for... Who's that? Who's that? I don't recognize. Can't hear their engines. It's funny. There's the ghost fleet that Scuttlebutt Pete talked about. Ghosts.
It was too much for Big Mac. Forgetting safety, he charged into the fog and made his way through the dark shapes of moored boats and trampers, trying to make sure the ghost tugs weren't following him. He was soon back at the Star Dock.
No doubt. You know better than to travel in fog at that rate of knots.
You all right? You look as if you've seen a ghost.
Well, I saw something. No, I can't tell you. You'll only laugh.
What? Oh, look, come on. We weren't even serious.
Well, I have seen ghosts.
Was it what?
Ghosts? You know Scuttlebutt's story about those tugs that sank in the Great Storm of 1912? And I come back to get you.
Oh, Big Mac, you're not taking Scuttlebutt's stories for real, are you?
Aye, well, I'm not going out there again till the fog lifts.
Well, I never thought I'd hear that from a harbour tug.
Well, he could have seen something. There could be ghosts. You never know.
You know, ridiculous, really.
Early the next day, the Starfleet all had their orders. As they moved out, they were giving Big Mac a hard time about his ghosts.
Knew I shouldn't have told him. I just knew it.
Don't mind them. The fog plays funny tricks on us. Nothing really to worry about. As long as you mind what you're doing, keep your wits about you. But ghosts, Big Mac.
I could have been seeing things seemed real enough, mind at the time.
That evening, Warrior was making his way back to port. Some shrimpers were following, using him as a guide through the fog.
Hey, Warrior! You sure you know your way?
Course I do. Do you trust me or don't you? A bit of fog's nothing to worry about. I've got a natural sense of direction. If we were running into anything, I'd know. Cool. Where'd it come from? Phew, that was lucky. Better head out a bit.
Warrior swerved violently, just in time to miss the mudbank. But the shrimpers were not so lucky.
When you can't see... What the... Worms. Are they? I don't believe... You Yes, I do. It's what Big Mac saw. The ghost fleet. It's a ghost fleet.
Izzy Gomez, the old tramper, had failed all day to get a cheap tow into port. So he decided to try and sneak in for free with the help of the fog.
Hello. You never learn, do you, Izzy? Eh? Crime doesn't pay, you know.
Don't know what you talk about.
Slipping into port on your own without a tow? Well, I hope you run aground. I'll be there, you'll be my salvage.
Hey, I know salvage. Okay, 50 most I give you for a tow.
Eh? Get lost. Not for 500. You'll be worth more as scrap.
Well, I did ask about it though, and I did not get it though, so...
That is it. I'll get him one day. Anyway, with luck there should be a few distress calls today, eh? Suckers always pay at least double to get them out of trouble. Aha, this looks like money. Ahoy! You need a tow into port? Ahoy! You there ahead. I'm hailing you. Give you a fair price. Get you into port safe. There's no sound. What's going on? It can't be. It's the ghosts. It's Big Mac's ghost fleet. Oh no! They're trying to get me. Oh, I'll let you alone, lads. Don't touch me.
It's very foggy, but if I see nobody, nobody can see me, So I get into port free. It's good. Hey, you watch where you're going. Why they don't answer? It's funny. Ay, caramba, he's a ghost. Oh, don't take me. I got a tow already. He's on his way. Please don't take me. Oh.
The ghost tug slid silently into the fog. Soren was so shaken, he sailed round in a circle and met Izzy again.
Oh, it's you. Not got far, have you?
Amigo, give me a tow. I pay what you want, any price you say.
No, Izzy, my old friend. I'll tow you in for free. I need some company getting back to port.
OJ returned from escorting 2 tramp steamers out to sea. Tired and still some way from our pier, he decided to take a shortcut through the inlet where old cranes were kept. The fog gave everything a creepy look. Being out so long in thick fog was playing tricks with him.
What's happening? Who's that? What has got about ghosts? Can't be. Not this fog. What's that? Sounds like an engine. A crane working at this stuff. Oh, it's you, scuttlebutt.
Oi! You stupid chuck! You sail right between us! You scared the daylights out of us altogether!
Thought I was a ghost tug, did you?
Don't joke about those things!
Not saying anything, are you? You're beginning to believe those tales you
You
tell.
take care, OJ!
Cheerio! Now I'm saying things. They're there. It's the ghost tugs. Right before my eyes. Oh, I hope they don't see me.
Top Hat had been out all day, too.
It's funny. I can't recognize a thing. Not even hear a foghorn. I can't be right. Try once more. No one's replying. When I get back, I'm certainly going to complain to the Port Authority. If I ever get there. Oh, what did you see now? No, I did that. The rail bridge, silly me. I never thought I'd get as rich as the others, but I am. Dear, where am I? But if I steer between these trampers, I should be in open water. Yes. Yeah. Oh, the ghost fleet. it's true. I haven't seen him. No, he missed me. Oh, God. Oh, dear, oh, dear. What? Oh, no, I'm sorry. That's enough for me. I'm not moving from here till daylight. It's far too dangerous out there. I'll dock here for the night. They won't see me. Miles from home.
10 Cents and Sunshine were taking fuel out to Lily Lightship.
Oh, how we're gonna find her in this? OJ taught me to wiggle, to keep the breeze on the same cheek all the time. That way you beat the currents, sailing in the right direction. Oh, she can't be too far away now.
Hey, what's that? That sounds like ice, but it can't be, can it? Oh, I don't like the 10 cents. What's happening?
Yeah, well, how should I know? It's weird. Look.
Our forage, our numbers up. It is. They've come to get us. Oh, look at the water. It's bubbling. It's, what is it, 10 cents on the go? How do I know? Look at that. Oh, it's a galleon, isn't it?
An early sun had burnt off the fog, but Top Hat was still asleep where he'd tied up.
Go away, ghost. No, don't hurt me. Please, please. Oh, Grandpa. What are you doing here, Top Hat? What's this about, ghosts? What, so, did I say ghosts? Oh, I must have been dreaming. I lost my bearings in the fog and moored here for the night. Here? That is funny. What's so funny? You're only 500 yards from the Star-Tugs Pier. It's there. Look. Look, everybody. I've seen ghost tugs for myself.
We've all seen them. 10 Cents and Sunshine has seen a galleon, too.
But these were ghosts, I assure you. I saw them, really. Silent. Phantoms of the sea.
So you admit ghosts exist now, Top Hat?
Ghosts? What's that about, my dears, hmm?
Ghosts wear white tugs.
Yeah, white tugs and a big galleon.
And Neptune, I think.
I saw them too.
You're all going crazy, seeing things that aren't there.
I'm not sure. I don't know what I saw now.
Well, I'll tell you. They're the White Fleet, down here from northern waters on the trail of an iceberg. These tugs sail at times with engines off, listening for cracking ice. There was a wooden galleon frozen in this iceberg, which must have melted in our warmer water. That's why you saw the old vessel bob up to the surface. I doubt you saw Neptune, Sunshine. He's for fairy tales. You've let the fog get to you, my dears.
Hercules, behind you!
That's your ghostly galleon.
They watched with embarrassment as Burke and Blair towed away the rotting galleon. Later on, Star-Tugs found they could laugh about it. But they never forgot the fog that nearly sent them crazy. The tugboat, for its size, is the most powerful craft afloat. And the Star Tugs are the power behind the docks and waterways that make up the big city port. This is TUGS. Sometimes a real bad character sailed into big city port. But on the day I'm remembering, no one suspected trouble. We were worrying about the high winds coming. Tug work would be difficult.
Hey, 10 cents. A great dawn, eh? Yeah, don't be fooled by appearances, sunshine. You know what Captain Star says? Red sky at night, sailor's delight. Red sky in the morning, sailor's warning.
Oh, it's bad weather coming then?
Yeah, strong winds on the way. They'll be here soon.
Get a move on, you two. The storm flags are out.
Aye, we know, Joe. We're just saying,
Well, then get on with that. Hercules is already out answering a mayday. When you deliver that oil, bring in Scuttlebutt Pete. He's dredging in the bay.
Aye, aye, sir. Yeah, we're off now.
There'll be some extra jobs to batten down before the storm hits the harbour.
Come on, sunshine. No time for daydreaming. No, hold it. Good morning, Zebedee.
What's good about it? High winds underway.
Yeah, it's going to be a lot of work to do today.
Oh, hey. What's going on? He's cut right across us.
Yeah, you would. Just when we're in a hurry. Come on. Oi, come on.
Hey, look how many he's torn.
Yeah, 4. He likes to show he's as strong as any Z-Stack tug. Oh, look. Look, he's losing one.
Hey, you think we better tell him? Yeah, he hasn't seen it.
Yeah, I suppose we should. Oi, Zebedee.
I'm fast. It's my right of way. You'll have to wait.
Yeah, you've lost one of your barges. It's going adrift.
You having me on?
Yeah, don't worry, I'll hold it till you secure it.
Don't interfere. I can manage.
Oh, suit yourself. Just offering to be helpful, that's all.
We don't need anything Star Tugs has to offer.
Do it your own way, then.
Wait. Hold it for me. Thanks.
Johnny Cuba had dropped anchor, waiting till he wasn't seen.
Nobody in sight. That's what I like. Trying to slip in closer to port and meet my business pals.
Johnny Cuba's idea of a business pal was, like himself, a gangster.
Ahoy there! How to? Customs inspection. You are within port limits. I'm coming aboard. Hey, watch out! What you doing? Careful!
Sorry, mate. The wind must have blown me off course.
Zebedee was out, as he'd been told, looking for ships or steamers, even fishing boats that might need a tow. Anything that might please Captain Zero.
Johnny Cuba. Oh, dear.
Well. Captain Zero's little Zebby.
Hello, Johnny. I mean, Mr. Cuba.
G'day, nice to see you. Listen, do something for me. Slip me into the harbour so I'm not breaking the law, eh? I'll see you all right.
I'd love to, sir. Honest, I would. But
No ifs, no buts, Zebedee. I need a tow right now. The wind's making me angry, upsetting me plans.
Sorry, sir. But you see, Captain Zero's giving me other orders.
Listen to me, kid. Zero owes me, understand? So don't get funny or you'll be in deep trouble. When I do mean deep.
The gangster told Zebedee to tow him to the old docks that hadn't been used for years, where he'd arranged to meet his criminal friends.
I don't like it here, and it's out of bounds to shipping.
Too bad. Now I need coal right away. And be quick about it or I'll break your stick.
You mean stealers?
Did I say steal? Just get it when nobody's looking.
Yes, sir. Right away, sir.
And don't try anything fancy, or you'll find yourself at the bottom of the harbour with cement in your hold.
Zebedee was now in a terrible situation. Johnny Cuba would sink him if he didn't help him. And because of something that happened years ago between those two, he knew Captain Zero would sink him if he did. So he couldn't go and tell the captain, could he? While Zebedee was trying to work this out, he saw the two star switchers out in the bay, struggling with scuttlebutt feet.
Come on, you two, get sorted out, or you won't get me home before the storm breaks.
But can it hold you, man?
Oh, do it out, Beast.
Do better than that, you've got to.
God, the wind's too strong.
Oh, what am I gonna do?
If only I could fix one more line. Oi, Zebedee, give us a hand.
Sorry, can't stop and Martin George do.
Now, just hold him steady while I get another line aboard, that's all.
Why should I?
Well, because we're in trouble, that's why.
And you asked for it, the barge.
All right, just this once, but don't tell Captain Zero.
Oh, that's it. Thanks, Zebedee.
Aye, that's just what we needed.
And not a word, Scuttlebutt.
Me? I never gossip, never.
That'll be the day. If Captain Zero knows I helped start ups I've lost. We're all square then.
Aye, well, quick, sir. Yeah, thanks.
Checking all the time that no one was watching him, Zebedee kept a lookout for coal for Johnny Cuba.
Cool. We mightn't just slip one barge away. That'll keep Johnny quiet. We'll worry about Captain Zero later.
That's all. I thought I was the only one stuck with coal deliverers today. I wonder what he's up to. I think I'd better check with Captain Star.
I brought you coal, Mr. Cuba said.
Yeah, okay, Zebby. I'll put in a good word for you with Zero.
No, please don't do that, Mr. Cuba. I'm in these bad books as it is. Oh, I mean...
You mean he wouldn't like you helping me, eh? That it?
No, I don't mean that. No, he sent me out to, you know, the wind's causing trouble, and,
You can go, mate. Long as you're back here tonight, okay? No worries.
Whatever you say, no worries, Mr. Cuba said.
Hey, Big Mac. I've just heard from Sally's seaplane. The Hercules has got the Princess Alice in tow.
Sounds serious.
Yeah, been damaged at sea.
Not another of your disasters, warrior.
Not me, honest.
I was joking. Come on, we'll tell old Jay, then go out and bring her in.
Yeah, anything to help the Princess Alice.
Out in the estuary, Zebedee was trying yet again to carry out Captain Zero's orders.
Help!
What the? Who's that?
Help! Out here!
Coast Guard.
It wasn't his lucky day. Zebedee had enough on his deck as it was, but he couldn't ignore someone in trouble.
Never thought I'd be glad to see you, Zebedee.
What? Oh dear, how's a Coast Guard getting this mess?
Johnny Cuba pushed me into the rocks. My engine's dead. I need a tow.
Johnny who?
Don't play dumb with me. I hear Zero and Johnny are good buddies.
Oh, not anymore. Captain
Ha!
Zero,
So you do know him.
Hey? Oh, yeah. No, I just come out here to see if a ship might need a tow, you know, with these winds and that.
Salvage is what you're after. Well, you'll get something if you get me into port, I'm sure.
Yeah, you need repairs. Take you to Lucky's yard.
Hi, Zebedee.
Big Mac, warrior.
Good day to you, Coast Guard. Nothing serious, I hope.
Chasing a crook and salvaged by a crook, that's all.
Oh, you'll survive it.
My guess is you've taken that gangster somewhere, Zebedee. Come on, own up.
Where?
All I did was bring him in past the harbour bar. I said I had to let him go because I'd work to do. Where he went after that, I don't know.
I've a good mind to run you in for questioning. You wait till Captain Zero hears about it. He won't like it, you know that.
I do. Sometimes I get a rescuing you.
What are you doing here? You're supposed to be out there answering distress calls.
Sorry,
I'll tell you where you've been. You've been helping those star switchers, you creep. Like to be a goody-goody star tag, would you? Hey, I haven't finished yet. Zebedee, come back here. Ah, the stars are docking Princess Alice. That should be worth watching in this wind.
Docking a liner can be a hazardous business for tugs, especially with cross currents and the danger of this high wind. Usually the liner can assist, but the Princess Alice couldn't do much due to the damage to her rudder. With all their expertise and experience, the Star Tug team were finding it very difficult to keep under their control.
What's happening back there? Come on, stars! She's not responding, Hercules. The wind's too strong.
I can't hold her much longer.
Pull hard, everybody!
We need another tug. Just one more and do it.
Sorry I can't help. I'm needed in case of fire.
Come on, lads. Hold it down.
Look out, I'm in trouble!
Come on, somebody. We're losing it. Will we cross between ship and quayside?
This isn't too human. Switches.
Zebedee. Oh, thanks. Just in time. You're a lifesaver. Thank you, Zebedee. She's under control again.
Oh, hey, thanks, Zebedee.
Zero will have my boiler for this.
Aye, thank you, Zebedee.
Thank you, Zebedee.
Thanks, Zebedee.
Zebedee going soft in the head or something? Oh, the idiot.
Zoran couldn't understand Zebedee. The Zeds were out to beat the stars, not to help them beat the Zed stacks.
Hello, Mr. Cubas.
Well, it's Zebby back again. Keep doing as Johnny Cuba tells you, and you'll come to no harm, you with me?
Yes, Mr. Cuba. The wind's stopping.
Right, there's a few other little things I want you to do for me before we go. Now listen, this is what
It's Hercules.
Hello, what's going on here? Oh, yes, Zebedee. And where are you taking our friend, the well-known Johnny Cuba, eh?
Oh, well,
What's it to you, Star?
We know you, Johnny Cuba. Up to no good. We'll hand him over to the authorities, Zebedee. They may like to have a word with him.
No, you don't.
Oh, wait a minute.
The gangster tried to back out, but collided with Zebedee.
You will not go anywhere.
Just to make sure, Zebedee rammed into Johnny Cuba, trapping him against the quayside.
Well done, Zebedee, my dear. Come on, let's take him in.
I'll break your stack for this one. They can't hold Johnny Cuba.
The authorities did hold Johnny Cuba and gave official thanks to Zebedee and Hercules. As 10 Cents and Sunshine set out on their last job of the day, the wind dropped completely.
Yeah, you'd think that storm never happened, eh? It's a lovely evening now, bud.
Yeah. Ah, look who's here. The Z-Stacks hero.
Hiya, Zebedee. Congratulations.
Yeah, not bad, was it?
Nah, you were great.
Captain Zero's over the moon. Now Johnny Cuba can't get at him.
Yeah, thanks for helping us with Scuttlebutt Pete.
Just forget about that way. Captain Zero wouldn't be pleased to hear about that.
Oh, dear.
Yeah, nor Zoran neither.
We won't tell, don't you worry, kiddo.
You'd better not. I've had enough troubles today. Well, see you fellas, eh?
Oh, Zebedee, if you ever think of leaving the Z-Stacks...
What? You crazy? Today was today, okay?
Oh, yeah, well, just a thought.
Yeah? Well, you think too much.
After that day, things continued much as they were. But Zebedee showed that everyone must have a good streak in them somewhere. Even Z-Stacks.